Hi everyone, my name is Budu Chris, and in this video I will be showing you how to import PetCatch data. Able to import PetCatch data on Google Earth, we need a good set of data sets. So to make that happen, as a scenario, we'll be working on transport for Glenara Council. So we'll type Glenara public transport. As you can see, here we go, Glenara public transport. We can start working on this one, the Frankston line, operating from Cofield Station, Glen Huntly Station, Ormond Station, Mackinnon Station, Bentley Station, Patterson Station, and so on. So what we'll do, we'll open the PetCatch again. We'll type Glen Huntly Station. It is here. So now we'll change the the isochrone type to offset buffer of 25 meters, and the marquees will leave it as 1. We'll change the map to OpenStreetMap, and we start running the scenario. As you can see, it's generating again some polygons around the station. So for a time of 10 minutes, so where people can walk to and through from the station. And so once PetCatch has generated that set of data, so what we'll do, we'll just download the KML scenario, and this process will be repeated for uh, yeah, there we go, it's downloaded. We can just rename it if you want, and so this whole PetCatch process will be run onto Ormond, Mackinnon, Bentley, Patterson, and Moorabbin Station, as well as starting from Cofield Station. I think that's a transit. So what we'll do, I have already downloaded all these KML files. So what we'll do, we'll just open Google Earth. In here, so launch. Since we are doing this project in Glenara Council, we'll type Glenara Council there. Once Google Earth got launched, here we go. So it's here. So we just type Glenara Council. As you can see, it takes us to the whole Glenara Council, but if you want to see like a proper border of Glenara Council, these red lines usually it evades. So what we can do, um, yes, with Google Earth, there's multiple options where you can customize your own look, how you want them to be looking like, but I'll leave it as how it is for now, as a custom default. And so what we'll do create a project or create KML file. So now you can see it's here. We can just we can rename whatever file we'll be putting in. So the last one was Glen Headley Station. Here we don't need to add the description, and then yep, new feature. So if we want to add the KML file, we can just do it as well. So another one, oops, new feature. I wanted to draw a line all over this Glenara border. You can do that line by line. There we go. I'm not zooming it, so you won't get it like a proper one, but you can take all the time to do it. I'm just focusing on the train line house Sandringham train service into Glenara City Council. Here you go, it will be something like this. We can just save it as Glenara Council border. It's just a rough one, a rough sketch. So as you can see, you can, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to, but yeah, we can do that afterwards. So now we have to import the data sets. So now, as you can see, we can import these KML file onto the Google Earth. So how we do that? You just need to go under new projects. So in here, you click projects, you go under new projects, and then you can import a KML file. So where have you saved it? For instance, mine was saved on the computer. So if you go down on all my downloads, you'll find it's in here, like highlighted Cofill. So once you click open, it will open it there. So you can in fact, the first one to, you can play on these layers. You can just hide them by clicking on the I button. Yeah. So this is a border of Glenara. We'll be starting with Cofield Station. The second to find was Glen Headley Station. It's here, following by if I go on the list again, following by Ormond, Mackinnon, Bentley, Patterson, and Moorabbin. Following by Ormond, Mackinnon, Bentley, Patterson, and Moorabbin. So if you zoom out, you'll see so how we have imported pet catch data on Google Earth and how they are represented in here. As I was mentioning, we can also, to make it much more visible, we can customize our our map. For instance, if you want to make it much more brighter, or you want to change the base map itself, or if you want to leave it clean, there's different way you can just represent them. So that's all the mapping style. If you want to turn on the grid, you can do that. I'll leave it as it is. If you want to turn on the clouds, animated clouds, you can leave it on. So this is how you represent pet catch data. You import pet catch data from pet catch, and then you represent them on Google Earth. Thank you for watching.